Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Now scroll down again, click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock, and enter your current screen lock. Now tap on Face Unlock over here, and when you're done, select More at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can click on I agree, also at the bottom right corner. And after selecting Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions located on your screen. Then select Done. Now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!